Yes, the reason why we hate celery juice in the beginning is that our microbiome, so the bacteria and the viruses and all of that, they are actually signalizing your body. They don't want to die. No organism in the world wants to die. They all want to survive. So what they tell your taste buds, what they tell your brain is, we don't want this. Once you change your microbiome, you actually might be able to like it or even crave it. I've got clients, first they're, oh, Peggy, I hate this. I don't want to do this. I hate this. They can't tolerate it, but they hate the taste. And then after a week, sometimes after a month, they're like, I'm going on holiday. I don't know how I get my celery juice. I'm really anxious. This is so cute. You know, I see it again and again. So maybe this is going to happen for you, John. Maybe, if you do it regularly. Love Huckle loves the taste of celery juice. And just before John McMahon said, I went back on celery juice, yuck. Now, guys, one way to improve the taste of celery juice is simply by taking off the leaves. So just juicing the stalks and not juicing the leaves. The leaves usually are pretty bitter, depending on if it's an organic celery, where is it grown. It always tastes a little bit different. So it's a good idea to check out different celery sources where you can source your celery. Organic is always best. But even if you have non-organic, using baking soda and soaking the stalks for a little bit can help to remove at least the outer side pesticides, but organic is always best. I'm linking you a video about how to reduce pesticides on non-organic food and fruit and vegetable down below. So if you're struggling with the taste of celery juice, try to leave the leaves out as you're getting accustomed, and later you can bring in the leaves again. And now I would love to know from you in the comments if you are one of those people who hate celery because the taste is bad, or if you're saying, what, celery? Amazing, give me the leaves, give me just the leaves, I love it. Let me know in the comments below.